Welcome to the world of Maya Garden City. As we know, Maya Garden City is a very popular name amongst the top builders in Chandigarh. After completing Maya Garden 1, Maya Garden 2, Maya Garden 3, and Maya Garden 3 extension successfully, we are now entering in the world of Maya Garden City. It enjoys the largest premium frontage on the highway. It is situated between Chandigarh NH21 and Panchkula NH22, which is also considered as the growth axis that connects PR7, and where all major developments including Aloft Hotels, Best Price, Park Plaza, and eating joints like McDonald's, KFC, etc. exist. Maya Garden City, a project of Barnala Builders, invites you to indulge in luxury and experience highest standards of living in its 3, 4, 5 and 6 BHK residential apartments. It is situated at the ring road that connects Panchkula and NH21 connecting Chandigarh, providing easy ways to commute both ways. Maya Garden City is perched amongst the best residential surroundings. With a privileged location and ample space, all aspects of high-class lifestyle are available in great abundance at Maya Garden City. Surrounded by lush green gardens decorated lavishly, each apartment is provided with a refreshing ambience and other facilities like jogging tracks, kids play area, walking trails and parks, wide well-lit internal roads, swimming pools, etc. that let people from all age groups spend their leisure time accordingly. Above all, we provide swimming pool and bars on the terrace of penthouse, giving you the extravagant and plush feel. All apartments are 3 sides open with corner and park facing. Focusing on the 6 BHK apartments, these are constructed as a signification of urban living, providing you with facilities like swimming pool, etc. These services are also available in 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. Keeping every aspect of luxurious living in mind, we also provide with basic civic amenities like school and club. That's not all we have to offer you with. Our interiors are equally luxurious and provide you with a modern-day infrastructure. Each apartment at Maya Garden City is well furnished in every sense of urban living. The living area and bedrooms are well furnished with vitrified tiles flooring. The project offers an assortment of state-of-art amenities like split ACs, whitewash, proper wirings, wooden fittings, etc. The walls of each room are textured with proper finishing, giving the rooms a contemporary look. Each room has a separate bathroom attached to it. The walls of the bathrooms have glazed tiles up to the door height. The fittings are branded Chinaware and CP fittings. We provide modular kitchen with walls glazed up with tiles up to 2 feet from slab level and anti-skid flooring. Our other facilities include uninterrupted 24 hours water supply, 100% power backup for common essential services, kids play area with ample space for cycling and playing other sports, clubhouse facilities like community halls that can be used for various occasions and festivals, swimming pool and health club, 24-hour gated security, and timely possession. Maya Garden City is not just a brand but a well established name in the real estate industry, which is approved by 25 leading banks.